Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. So basically you're gonna just go back to your screen and you're gonna go ahead to your browser and search for, let's have an example, groups or even channels. So I'm gonna just go ahead and type channels right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to any website right here that allows you to find Telegram channels. Just go ahead right here and click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna find right here groups and channels. Just go ahead and click any of them and just hit right here view channel and just open it in Telegram, and basically you'll be able right here to join this group or channel without needing of invitation. Okay, so basically and same goes for all other groups and channels. Basically, if they're allowed or if they are public channels or groups, you'll be able to go ahead and join it without needing an invitation. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.